This is second paper, financial accounting paper 2. I'll engage this subject for you people. And this subject objectives are to apprise the students about the application of accounting knowledge to special business formats. This is the first objective, and second objective is to impart the skill of preparation of final accounts. How to prepare the final accounts of the business organization as per Indian accounting standards. We have to prepare the accounts as per Indian accounting standards. Okay. And to develop the skill of recording of transactions relating to issue of consignment, branches, hire purchase, cooperative societies, and limited liability partnership. For your become second semester in the financial accounting paper 2, there are 5 units. There are 5 units. The first unit is consignment account. What is consignment account? Okay. So before going to see the accounting procedure of the consignment accounts, you have to know the meaning of consignment. Consignment means one person send the goods to another person and another person sell those goods to the customer on the commission basis. This is just like agent and principal. Agent and principal relation. So what is consignment? Who are the persons coming under the consignment, parties under the consignment, and how they transfer the goods, how they sell the goods, how they complete the transaction, and what is the accounting procedure we will study in the consignment account. In the consignment account, we study what is consignment, who are the parties in the consignment, what are the steps in the consignment accounts, then how to calculate the profit on consignment, how to calculate the loss. All those things comes under the first unit, that is consignment account. Okay. And second unit is branch account. In this branch account, we study what is branch. Okay. Whenever a person is having ability to sell and resources, if he want to expand his business in the different places, at that time a person or a businessman opens a small business, let outs, business outlets. He start the business outlets in the different places of the same city or different places of the same district, same state or same nation, or he may establish in the abroad also. If he establishes the business outlets outside the existing place, then the main place is called as head office and outside business outlet is called as a branch. Okay, so branch account. Branch account, we study what is the branch, what is the head office, then what are the transactions related, transactions in between branch and head office, what are the methods of maintaining the accounts, what are the types of branches, how they maintain the accounts, how they ascertain the profit of the branch, all comes under the branch account. This is the second unit. This is the second unit. In the second unit, we study what is branch and head office, what are the types of branches, what are the methods of maintaining the branch accounts, then how we ascertain profit or loss made by the branch. This is the point we cover in the second unit, that is called as branch account. Okay, branch account, second unit. And third unit is hire purchase accounting. Hire purchase accounting. Hire purchase accounting means this is one type of purchase and sale. It is a one type of purchase and sale. This is just like credit sale or credit purchase. This is one type of or one system of selling the goods to the customer. The main feature of this purchase and sale is seller supply the goods to the customer. Seller supply the goods to the customer, but the ownership of the goods will not be transferred to the buyer. Seller give the goods to the customer and customer use the goods, and customer make the payment of the price in installment. Payment is made in installment. Okay. Payment is made in installment means part by part. Total price is paid by the customer part by part. Whenever the customer makes all the payments, then seller transfer the ownership of goods. Seller transfer the ownership of goods. That is called as hire purchase system. Okay. In the hire purchase system, you remember 2 points. One is seller supply the goods to the customer but not transfer the ownership. Ownership means document. Ownership means document of the title of the goods. Okay. And what about the customer? Customer make the payment part by part, means installment. In installment, he make the payment. Then whenever the buyer makes all the payments to the seller, then seller give the ownership to the buyer. This is called as hire purchase system. And in the hire purchase system, there are two parties. One is seller, another is buyer. So how they maintain the accounts? How they maintain the accounts, we study in the third unit, that is hire purchase accounts. How they maintain accounts relating to the purchaser and seller. How the seller maintain the accounts, how the buyer maintain the accounts. This is a simple unit, just like your royalty accounts. Whatever you studied in the first sem. Hire purchase system is a simple chapter and easy one. Okay, this is the hire purchase system. And next is partnership accounts. Fourth unit is partnership account. In the partnership account, we study the limited liability partnership. In your PUC second year or PUC first year class, you studied the general partnership according to Indian Partnership Act 1932. That is the General Partnership Act 1932. You studied in your PUC first year class and second year class. But in this BCom second sem, you will study the partnership related with limited liability partnership. The Limited Liability Partnership Act came into existence in the year 2008. According to the Limited Liability Partnership Act, what is limited liability partnership? What are the features of limited liability partnership? Then merits of limited liability partnership, then what are the benefits of conversion to limited liability partnership? The existing forms of organization may be converted into limited liability partnership. For example, sole trading concern may convert it into limited liability partnership. General partnership may be converted into limited liability partnership. Joint stock company may be converted into limited liability partnership. Therefore, if you want to convert the existing organization into limited liability partnership, what are the benefits? We will study. Okay, so the fourth unit is maximum theory based. Okay, the fourth unit. And fifth unit is cooperative society accounting. What is cooperative society? What is cooperative society? Introduction. Then what is the need for cooperative societies in our nation? How to register a cooperative society? Types of cooperative societies. Books of accounts to be maintained by the cooperative societies. Accounting standard applicable to cooperative societies. Type of audit and provision of cooperative societies. Provisions of Cooperative Societies Act. This last unit is totally a theory chapter. So there are 5 units in your syllabus. First unit is consignment. That is also just like agent principal. Second is branch account, head office and branch. Third is hire purchase, buyer and seller. Fifth is partnership, that is limited liability partnership. Sixth is cooperative. Okay, this is the syllabus for the second sem in connection with financial accounting paper 2. Okay, and I'll take this chapter according to the timetable already given to you people. According to the timetable, every teacher will engage the class and you attend the class according to the timetable. Okay, and once again, I request you people, you join the class with your name because I'll take the screenshot of your participant list. Okay, this is the participant list. I'll take the screenshot. After completing every class, I will take the screenshot of you people. One is 118, second is 23, 34, 35, 49. Okay. What is 23? I don't know whether it is 23 is roll number or not. 23 number, 34 number. Then K. What is K? I don't know what is K. Okay. Who admitted the class as K? Please join the class as your own name. Then MP. Who is MP? I don't know. So for your attendance purpose, this will be recorded. Then RK85. What is RK85? 85 roll number or not? I don't know. Okay. Today is the introduction class and And this is the second semester financial accounting paper. Okay. I'll upload the video. Those who are unable to attend the class clearly, you can go through the Google Drive or YouTube. Every day evening, I will upload the video to the YouTube. Okay, I'll send the YouTube link to you people by evening. And this is the syllabus. And in the next class, I will start the one unit, that is hire purchase accounting. Hire purchase accounting I'll take in the next class. And this is the syllabus. And now I'll give you time to you people to interact. This is a time to interact, you people. You open your audio. You open the audio, on your audio, and interact with me. If you are interested to talk something, or if you want to tell me anything, if you want to guide me in connection with the class, whatever instructions, whatever guidance, or whatever your doubts, this is a time for you people. 5-minute time is there. For the in the 5 minutes, I'll discuss with you. Suppose you want to talk with me, you can on your audio video and come to the platform. Okay. Any suggestions, any guidance, or any changes would you like to expect from the class, or anything changes you want to want? All the staff members will take the class in Zoom app, I think, and Zoom app is the best app for you people. And regarding financial accounting, I'll deliver the lecture. After completing the lecture, I'll upload the video by evening. Okay. You can see the video in the evening. Those who will not attend the class, you go through the video and clear the doubts and know the topic. Okay. Out of 3 subjects, the one subject will be handled by Anure madam, one is by Deshpande madam, and one subject, financial accounting, I'll take for you people. Okay. Economics will be taken by economics department, computer subject by computer department, languages by language departments. And regarding skill on practicals and practicals on skill development, this paper I'll take only after the in the offline class. In the offline class, we will take the skill development, practicals on skill development. Okay. And regarding your extension activity, we will undertake extension activity during offline classes. And this is enough for today. And in the next class, I'll directly take the topic hire purchase accounts. Hire purchase accounts. Okay. Hire purchase accounts I'll take from the next class, and you inform your friends to join the class, and attendance is made compulsory by the university. मैं अभी एक बार बताना चाहता हूं, अटेंडेंस को यूनिवर्सिटी कंपलसरी किया है. यूनिवर्सिटी कंपलसरी क्या है, अटेंडेंस कंपलसरी क्या है, उसके लिए आप लोग ये ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करने के लिए कोशिश करो, नहीं तो आपको प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। ओके
ವಿಚಾರಿಸ್ಲತ್ರ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ तुम्ही आमले त्याचे कोड
Yes, any suggestions? I think you are not interested to talk with me and you are not clear. Okay, we slowly start the subject. You attend the class. If you face any problems, or if you because of internet problems or any other problems, if you are unable to attend the class, you call me and clear your doubts regarding the financial accounting paper 2. Okay, today I'll complete the class and the next class I'll take according to timetable. So you go through the timetable. According to timetable, you attend the class and notes will be uploaded to your mobile, WhatsApp, or any by any means notes will be uploaded by every staff member. Okay, thank you.